So, this is Marshfoot Lane, east of Hailsham, runs over Pevensey Marshes. Annoyingly, if you're looking for it, this one is marked Bridleway, which really doesn't help when you get snotty walkers up here. You shouldn't be on here. I know we should, it's a byway. No, it's not, it says it's a bridleway. You know, that's the first thing they say. So, the council do have an obligation. Oh, this is tough. Hey. Can't get in gear. The council do have an obligation to make sure these are correctly marked, which is a sticking point of mine because I'm not sure. Oh, it did after all that, look. Yeah, because of that exact problem. You know, you get the walkers, you know, without it, even when they're not marked at all, you get walkers kicking up a fuss. In fact, even when they are marked correctly, you get people kicking up a fuss. So it really doesn't help when they're not marked. It's quite a nice view over there. I've just lost my flaming toolkit as well. I'm so annoyed. I think the exhaust has burnt through my strap. And then the strap got wrapped around the back wheel. Yeah, because it's marked Bridleway, it doesn't get much use. So, if I remember right, it's not very badly rutted. In fact, no, look, you wouldn't even know. I mean, if this was used, it would be very badly rutted. It's just very soft, marshy, boggy ground. Yeah, Marshfoot Lane. I don't ride this. I've only just really sort of, if you like, found it in a way. I don't ride it very often because yeah, we were warming and ahhing for a long time. I remember I came with a friend of mine. It's like, no, we can't ride it. It says it's Bridleway. I'm like, no, it's on the map. I've checked with the council. But then I started questioning myself. You know, I'm like, wait a minute, did I get the right one? Are you sure it was this one? And I'm questioning myself again, look, because there's track. I did this last time. Because there's tyre tracks over there. But I'm sure the first time I came down here I did it with a GPS to check I was on the right one. Again, look, halfway down it's marked Bridleway. And that sign there says no swimming. Oh, I was just going to take a dip as well. Oh, that's annoying. Ooh, that's not going to happen. Now what do we do? I've come down here I was going to say the other day, it wasn't the other day, the other week, whenever. Oh, this confused me last time. It looks like it's a complete chain, but it isn't. And yeah, there was real big, ugly, nasty looking bulls in the field. I'm talking the ones with the big horns that just look at you. You know, and you give your engine a friendly little rev just to see if they'll take the hint and get out your way, and no, they just sit and they look at you. I'm not being funny, a big animal like that scares the crap out of me. Excuse me. Yeah, you can come out here. Have a smile. That's disgusting, I do apologise. It's a very cold Christmas Eve, and I always do this. Pick the wrong rut. Oh, that's another thing, there is a rut down here that will swallow your front hole even. Just big enough for your front tyre. Just big enough. I think it's that, yeah, that one there, look. Ooh. Or is it this one here? It might be that one there. No, it's not, it's actually this one here. Anyway, it's one of them. And if he catches you unawares, it can really throw you over the handlebars. Yeah, this is what makes me think it's completely, no, it's legal now, is the TRF sized tyre print in the middle. Maybe it does get used. Look, it's cut up here, it wasn't cut up further back. I'm rubbish today, I really am so rubbish today, it's untrue. I really cannot get in the biking spirit. You know, you have one of them off days. I'm crabbing along here. Cross-rutted, come on! No, the back wheel's in this middle rut and the front wheel wants to stay in this one. There we go. I'm always conscious as well, well, in these reeds there's a river, you can't really see it. And I can just see the thin sheet of ice on top of it, and I don't really want to go too quick, get it wrong and go splash. I don't think it'd be too pleasant in summer, let alone... Oh, I really am making this look hard. Thin wet ruts! Come on, there we go, that's better. Let's get into this. I've never seen anyone down here, but I've not ridden this one many times at all. So... Oh no, that's a fib. I have seen 2 pedestrians down here, I beg your pardon. Trickier than I remembered. It's just a thin wet rut, so I think in summer you could blast along it, but I think I'm just being rubbish, aren't I? Oh no, that's another gate I forgot about. It's going to be sod's law that it's the time something falls off or breaks, or you know, I need to change a lever, or I don't know. Hello. A lot of water along this one. I don't remember it being this bad after all the rain. Longer than I remember as well. Sorry, I'm sort of daydreaming here. I'm not too much on my mind at Christmas tomorrow. I just thought I'd come out and have a little run before all hell breaks loose with the kids. It's 2009, 24th of December. All these ones along the marshes you will get wet on, and even if it's not raining, you know, I do recommend the old waterproof trousers. And some somewhere here is the end of our byway, I'm guessing. Or maybe that gate.